Hey besties, let's get right into my self-care routine. I love setting the vibes with candles. I created little bowls on the candles because I just thought it was so cute. Got the idea from Pinterest, but I love using candles to romanticize my night. They're just super cute and it just sets the vibe like I said previously. Right now I'm trying to get my hair together. I need to wash my hair. My hair is dry. My hair extensions need to be quenched. But yeah, I'm just oiling my scalp because I do have a dry scalp and it's always itchy. So I like to just maintain the moisture. And before I hop in the shower, I'm just gonna braid my hair up just to get everything out the way. I do have long extensions. These are 26 inches of hair. It's a lot of hair. So I like to just get it out the way while I'm showering. I'm wearing the Lucy robe that you could find on my website, but let's get right into the shower routine. I will list every product down below, but my favorite product that I want to mention is this exfoliating mitt that I got from Dollar Tree. It works so good on removing dead skin and just getting my skin to be super soft. Now let's get into this body oil. Do you guys see this? This is my Rich Glow oil that you could find in the description box. It will literally have you glistening and dripping in gold shimmer. I love this oil. It is so moisturizing. It definitely gives you that rich glow. That's why I named it Rich Glow Oil. But yeah, I love it. It smells amazing. It leaves my skin nice and moisturized, as you guys can see. Do you see that? And the oil is very lightweight. It doesn't transfer onto your clothes, which I love. The spray bottle application is super easy to use. It's not messy and it just glides on nice and well. Do you guys see that? Like, get into the skin. I love this oil so much. Like I said, it will be listed down below. I'm taking my Suave Fresh Vibes deodorant because I love smelling fresh all through the night, even if I'm going to bed. And now we're getting into the skincare. I like to double cleanse. So I'm taking an oil cleanser to really get into my pores because I do have sebaceous filaments, if that's even how you pronounce it. But I'm massaging the oil into my pores so I could remove all the gunk and dirt that I accumulated from earlier today. I'm taking my first cleanser. I will list everything that I'm using down below because I do not know the name of it at the top of my head, but I like to really massage it to remove that oil that I used previous and to just lather it up and get everything off my skin. When I rinse my face, I like to use lukewarm water because I heard hot water will dry your skin out and cause premature aging. So I just like to keep my water a little room temp so it's not drying my skin. Now for the second cleanser, I'm taking my Tatcha Deep Cleanser and I love this facial cleanser. I really feel like it cleans and pulls everything out of my pores. Highly recommend you try it. I got this in the travel size and I still have it and I got it a long time ago. So I definitely recommend it. I'll leave that down below as well. And now I'm just brushing my teeth. I'm using a regular Colgate toothpaste, nothing special, but I love to brush my teeth before I go to bed. It just makes me feel super clean and it is healthy for you to brush your teeth 2 times a day. So ladies, definitely do that. Now I'm taking my Paula's Choice toner to really finish my skincare off. Yeah, I love this toner. So I'm just patting it into my face to really get it in my pores. And now I'm just going in to moisturize my face with the Kiehl's Daily Moisturizer. I've been liking it. Sometimes my face feels dry while using it. Some days it's moisturizing. I don't know. I don't understand it. But overall, it is a lightweight cream. So I like that. It is the next day and I literally washed, blow dried, straightened my hair and now I'm just flat ironing my leave out to match my U-part wig. Thank you, Lanvion, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Lanvion is a virgin hair company that offers many different textures to match your natural hair. They have a variety of items. They sell U-part wigs, they sell HD lace wigs, and they also sell bundles. Their textures range from straight to Burmese curly to kinky straight, and many more, so that you can find your perfect match. Their hair is double drawn, which means it is thick from root to end. I know you ladies are tired of buying hair extensions that are very thin at the ends, but with Lanvion, you do not have to worry about that at all. As you can see, I'm currently wearing a 26-inch U-part unit, and the hair is thick. Okay, it is thick. You can't tell me I am not Nicki Minaj, Rihanna, Rapunzel with this hair on. I will leave all the information down below. Use my discount code for 10% off your first order. Another part of taking care of yourself is making sure you're staying on top of your vitamins, and I love taking my vitamins. Now, this is the end of the video, but I love drinking tea. It just sets the mood for my whole day. It relaxes me, and that is a major part of my self-care. I am not a coffee drinker. It literally triggers my anxiety, so tea is something that always brightens my mood. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.